What up, African family, and welcome to another video of African history, culture, and worldview. And welcome back to my series, African Myth and Legend 101, where I tell various stories from African myth and legend. Today, we're going to tell a myth from the Basotho people about the Moon Prince. And as always, don't forget to support the home team on patreon.com and go to Afrographics.com, a website where you can get helpful illustrative infographics summarizing African history. Links to Patreon and Afrographics are in the description box below, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. The first king of the Basotho people of South Africa was called Kodi Sefubeng, or Moon in Chest, because he had a shining silver disc in the middle of his chest. At night, it gave off enough light for others to see. Kodi Sefubeng had magical powers, including the ability to tell the future. After ruling for several years and marrying 10 women, he predicted that each wife would give birth to 10 cosmic suns, with stars and crescent moons burned into their chest. But only one would be born with a full moon on his chest, like his. This moon prince would become the king when Kodi Sefubeng died. As the wives gave birth, each was secretly disappointed that their baby wasn't the moon prince. The king's first wife, Morongoe, who was delicate and frail, prayed only that her son would be healthy and strong. After a long and difficult birth, she fell asleep before seeing her new baby boy. The king's jealous second wife peeked into Morongoe's hut and saw the silvery moon disk shining on the moon prince's tiny chest. She paid the midwife to hide the moon prince behind some old mattresses in his mother's hut, hoping the baby would die, and substituted a puppy instead. When Morongoe woke up and saw what she had given birth to, she was inconsolable, appealing to the king to forgive her. But the king thought his wife must have done something evil to have given birth to a puppy, and divorced Morongoe, forcing her to serve as a maid to his second wife. The second wife hid the moon prince in a storehouse and tried to starve him to death, but he survived with the help of a mouse and a cow, which took him to the river. At the river, some crabs helped him to catch fish and hid him when the second wife came to look for him. Later, a kindly merchant found the boy and adopted him as his son. The second wife eventually persuaded the king to name her child, who had a half moon on his chest, as the king's successor. The king's wisest advisor had never believed the story that Queen Morongoe had given birth to a puppy. One day, the king sent his advisor to the next town to buy some tea from the kindly merchant who had adopted the true moon prince. The advisor noticed a boy with a bright chest. He told Kodi Sefubeng his suspicions about the boy, and the king quickly disguised himself in ordinary clothing and traveled to the kindly merchant's hut. He asked the moon prince to show him his chest, and when he saw the shining disc, the overjoyed king threw off his disguise and embraced his true heir. He took his son home, exiled his jealous second wife, and returned his first wife to her rightful place. The moon prince would soon become king. Well, I'm all out, guys. If you like these videos and want to help out in its continued production, you can do so on patreon.com. The link is in the description box below. Know thyself. Remember your ancestors. Peace.